Yep.
Hello, sir. I've come from Blackwater. I'm on the trail of a dangerous gang. Colm O'Driscoll. Heard you had some sort of incident.
We don't deal with bounty hunters around here, son.
I was just wondering if I could get a description.
Well, they weren't friends. They got in a fight, 2 men got killed. Now, one of them's an idiot, the other's some kind of dumb mix, so maybe them's your boys. You can look right enough when we hang them.
Thank you, Sheriff.
Let me out of here, you maggots! You think these bars can hold me? You hear me? My boys are coming for me! And when they do, we'll burn this hick town to the ground! It was just a fight that got out of hand!
Here we are.
Don't leave me in here, Morgan. You hurry! There'll be more law here any minute. Come on, you gotta try something. Ah, thank you, friend. Now give me a gun. Hey, you. Bye now.
How the hell you do that?
I'll tell you later.
Come on! Have a punch. Don't go that way. Let's get the hell out of here.
I got some unfinished business. Trust me, Morgan.
Trust you?
Let's get out of
You
here.
have finally lost your
Keep
damn mind. You goddamn maniac. I should have left you to hang.
We're in it now, Morgan. What do you want to do?
That's him. Fire!
Gonna be dead soon, partner. Send them all out. Come on. Everything you got.
We should be long gone by now.
They got something of mine I ain't leaving without. Look out! We got more coming in.
Yep, I see him.
Who else wants to step up? Come on!
Let's go. Where are we going?
Making a house call. There's more of these morons.
We really should get out of here.
Calm yourself. Skinny! Get out here! Skinny! Skinny, like I ignored it. You always was a letdown, you fat sack of crap! Excuse me a minute, Arthur. Hello, Maddie. Did you miss me? They had something of mine. My guns.
You're going to get this fella.
I showed him, and I'll show the rest of this town!
You have really lost it this time.
Let's get to those horses, Morgan! What the hell are you waiting for? Let's go! Reckon it's time we got out of here, Morgan.
Now you want to get out of here?
Damn it! How many of these sons of bitches? You wait! Keep riding, Morgan!
We don't have much choice.
Ha! They just ain't giving up, are they?
You ain't leaving here alive.
Get that man! You made a mistake getting another line of them! Get in the herd today!
Yeah.
You're gonna wish you killed me! Okay. Let's get out of here before we get any more on our tail. That was some good shooting, Morgan. Whew. I gotta hand it to you.
What the hell was that you pulled back there?
Got a bit wild, all right.
Wild? Making a house call in the middle of all that?
Ain't much I care about more than those guns.
That much is clear. Who was that fella?
Skinny? Yeah, we ran together for a while. Did a bank job down south. Didn't end well.
I saw how it goddamn ended.
He was gonna let me hang.
I'm starting to wish I had. And you owe Lenny, too. If he hadn't found us in time...
Yes, you will all be thanked profusely, I promise.
Yeah... Well, you're lucky Dutch has got your back. For some unknown reason.
think we finally lost him.
I hope so.
I'm giving you a holster. My way of saying thank you.
And thank you. There I was, having a dull day only for you. To liven it up by letting me help you shoot up half a town.
You're a funny fella, Arthur. Real funny. Why you act all sour all the
Yeah,
time?
well, you ain't funny at all. So why you gotta act like the court
All
jester?
right, listen. I'm sorry, but we're family now. Arthur, you and me. Sons of Dutch. Makes us brothers. Sometimes, brothers make mistakes. I'm heading back to my little camp round back of Strawberry. Come see me. Maybe I can make things up to you.
You ain't heading back to Dutch?
No, I've been a bad boy, Arthur. I ain't seeing Dutch till I can bring him a peace offering. Bye now. Yeah.